Hi, in this video we will be learning how to watch and share your previous Zoog creations. Let's head into the Zoog app. From the Create page, we will click on the My Stories page in the bottom left corner. Here we'll see all of the Zoogs that we've created and those we've received. If we click the three dots, we can choose to send it to someone. Edit the title of our Zoog. We can also delete it, or we can record a new version. When I exit out of the menu, I can scroll down and explore all of the Zoogs that I've made, such as Love You to the Moon, Twinkle Twinkle, Did You Know, and more. If I scroll back up to the top, I can click on the play button and watch a preview of my latest Zoog. I can send it from here, or I can exit back out and continue to explore. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for using Zoog.